Welcome to Be My Guest. Today is yet another thrillifying quiz all about the Wicked movie for good. We've prepared 45 questions for you. So grab your broomsticks, call your besties, and let's find out if you are truly for good. Let's start the quiz. What is Elphaba's surname? Thrump, Throp, or Thrum? Yes, it's Throp. Who do you think wins the title of the cutest childhood picture? Glinda, Nessarose, or Elphaba? Who do you think is the cutest? Comment down below. Which classic children's story is Wicked based on? The Wizard of Oz, The Worst Witch, or Harry Potter? It's The Wizard of Oz.
I command that something magical shall happen.
Can you guess who's talking? Yes, it's young Glinda.
Command that something magical shall happen.
Finish the lyrics.
But then I guess we know there's blame. There's blame to share.
Rate the character. Glinda. Dorothy was brought to Oz by a train, tornado, or a magic portal. Tornado is the answer. If you could choose where to live, where will it be? Glinda's penthouse or Elphaba's treehouse? What's your pick? Dorothy is from Texas, Nebraska, or Kansas? It's Kansas.
You can't leave because you can't resist this. That's the truth.
Can you guess who's talking? It's Fiyero.
You can't leave because you can't resist this. That's the truth.
Rate the character. Elphaba. What did the wizard order Dorothy to take from Elphaba? The grimoire, her broomstick, or her hat? It's her broomstick. Which version do you think is the best? The book, the musical, or the movie? What do you think? What item does Elphaba try to recover from Dorothy? Shoes, basket, or her broomstick? It's Nessarose's silver shoes.
Never mind. I'll call you when I've finished.
Can you guess who's talking?
Never mind. I'll call you when I've finished.
Rate the character. Fiyero. Who should Elphaba where the other imprisoned animals were being kept? Chistery, Dulcibert, or Fiyero? It's Chistery. What would you rather choose? Marry the one you love, or marry the one who loves you the most? Share your answer in the comment section. What color were Dorothy's shoes in the movie Wicked for Good? Red, gold, or silver? It's silver.
Different. So, when and why did this change?
Can you guess who's talking?
Different. So, when and why did this change?
Rate the character. Nessa. Who becomes the governess of the Munchkinland? Nessa Rose, Glinda, or Madame Morrible? It's Nessa Rose. If you could adopt one magical creature, which would you pick? The Cowardly Lion, a winged monkey, or Dulcibert? Which one would you adopt? Let us know in the comments section. What character does Bok eventually transform into? Scarecrow, Tin Man, or a wizard? A Tin Man.
I lost my heart to Glinda the moment I first saw her. I lost my heart to Glinda the moment I first saw her.
Whose idea was it to use Nessa as a bait to capture Elphaba? Glinda, Madame Morrible, or the wizard? It's Glinda. Rate the character. Madame Morrible. Finish the lyrics.
No good deed goes unpunished.
Madame Morrible's magical specialty is controlling the mind, time, or weather. It's weather. If you could only choose one song to be on repeat the whole day, which will it be? Defying Gravity?
Gravity.
Popular?
Popular. You're gonna be popular.
Or For Good?
Been changed for good.
Let us know your favorite in the comment section. What did Elphaba give Glinda before they parted ways? Her broomstick, her power, or the Grimoire? The Grimoire.
I could tell him that I've been lying to him till I'm, forgive me, blue in the face.
Can you guess who's talking? It's the wizard.
I could tell him that I've been lying to him till I'm, forgive me, blue in the face.
Rate the character. Bok. In the movie, Dorothy defeats Elphaba by throwing her under the bus, a bunch of tulips, a bucket of water. A bucket of water is the answer. Which magical ride would you dare to hop on? Glinda's sparkly bubble or Elphaba's fast broomstick? What did you pick?
Handsome swain, Prince Fiyero, newly appointed captain of the Gale Force.
Can you guess who's talking? It's Madame Horrible, I mean Morrible.
Handsome swain, Prince Fiyero, newly appointed captain of the Gale Force.
Rate the character. Mrs. Throp. What character does Fiyero become after Elphaba's protection spell? A lion, a scarecrow, or a winged monkey? A scarecrow. Would you rather have Glinda's pink strawberry shortcake? Or Elfie's green matcha cake? Share your pick in the comments section.
But there's no going back. And we can't move forward not until everyone knows what I know. And once they know the truth.
Can you guess who's talking? Yes, it's Elphaba.
There's no going back. And we can't move forward not until everyone knows what I know. And once they know the truth.
Finish the lyrics.
Why do I love this place? That's never. That's never loved me.
Rate the character. The Wizard. The Wizard was actually Morrible's son, Elphaba's father, or Glinda's uncle. He is Elphaba's father. Which would you rather have? A best friend like Elphaba, or a boyfriend like Fiyero? Nope, it's not the monkey, it's actually Glinda.
Please, where'd you get that?
Did you enjoy today's challenge? Share your score in the comments section. Like and subscribe for more thrillifying quizzes.